right, 8:09 in the morning. It's gonna be a good day. Nice and sunny. All right, that's my car. Let's make this money. Strategy a little different. Well, actually, strategy is gonna be the same. I'm gonna do as many as I can today. There's a bonus promo going on, and then there is a 9 to 10 3 rides in a row over zoned out in the city. So I'm gonna try to catch one of those. All right, and they want to catch one of those, just do deliveries, quick rides all day today. Got the quest to go. All right, look at this. Neighbors are watching, and that's how we're gonna do it today. Let's make this money. All right, it is 2:26. I've made a total of 147. I'm gonna put it right there. Okay, and I made a total of 16 trips. So my strategy is planning out the way that I wanted to, which is basically make as many trips as I can to hit this promo as fast as I can. So 120, 147. Oh, this looks so nice. Let me turn the lights on here. 147, 16 trips, okay, and it's like two something, two. Hold on, let me take a quick look. 2:27, and it's 2:27 p.m. right now. I'm in my apartment, so taking a quick break before I charge, having a bite to eat. Let's see how much money we make. All right, it is 7:32. I have made a total of 250 something or 240 something. I don't know. I'm gonna put it right there. I made 26 trips. I'm achieving my goal. You know, I'm making a lot of trips today. That's the idea. But you know, usually I make 30 trips by just driving around, picking people up. But today, no. You know, it's a strategy to it. So I'm just trying to do as many as possible, so my next couple of days is a lot easier for me to achieve my my promo, which, you know, after like 60 rides I get a certain amount, and then 70 rides I get a certain amount. So that's the idea, and hopefully I don't know, I'm hoping that it works out, because I have second thoughts about this, but this is a strategy. It's not about quantity, right? How do you say it? It's not about quantity, it's about quality. I don't know. What I know is that I need to make a lot of trips, so the next couple of days, okay, I can reach my promo no problem, okay, and then I can, you know, and the same thing with Friday. Promo comes Friday, okay, I'm gonna knock as many as I can by just doing a lot of oh my god, I'm so lost here. A lot of food delivery, you know, Uber Eats. Doing a lot of Uber Eats, getting everything done. All right, as many trips as I can. This way, when Saturday comes, then I reach my promo. I hope it works. Dude, I don't freaking know. I don't know. Yeah, let's make this money. All right, finish the day off today at 3:14. I'm gonna put it right there. And 32 trips. All right, so it kind of worked out the way I wanted it to. Actually, I wanted to do more than 30 trips today, but a lot more, not 32, more like almost to 40. But it actually worked out. It worked out. I hope this works. So the idea is to hit as many as I can on Monday. So when I go to hit the promo, okay, you know, it's a lot easier. This way I'm not really struggling the whole entire week just to get the promo. So I'm just trying to get the promo as fast as I can. All right, and I'm gonna do the same thing for Friday promo. Friday I'm gonna do deliveries all day, just so I can get the promo faster. See if I make more money that way. Anyway, let's see how it goes at 3:14 for today, for Monday. All right, let's see what we get for Tuesday. Let's make this money. And also, I was supposed to hit that It's like 9 to 11, but I can only do it till 10. You know, I don't want past 10. That's one of my rules. 3 rides make like $11 or $11.50. I don't know what it was. Anyway, I'm gonna put it right there. But I didn't hit it. I was on delivery and I was just sitting 20 minutes and I had to cancel it. You know, I had to go. I can't stay out too late. But no, I did not hit it. I did not hit that promo, but I still made over 300. So good day. That's a trip. Let's make this money. All right, 12:55. Charging. All right, so I did my. See, this morning is why I don't chase. This is exactly why I don't chase surges, okay? Or there's 3 rides for like. There was 1 ride. It was like $3 for. I'm sorry, 3 rides and you make $20. Okay, I went down there and I turned the app on and then it gave me a pickup, okay, but outside the zone, and I never got it, okay, and then it took me to the middle of nowhere, and I never made the $20 on 3 rides and then make an additional $20. The next thing I did was early in the morning I got up, I went, there was a surge, I was going in the direction of the surge, all right. It was like right there. It was only like a minute away, like 60 seconds away. All right. As I go to turn on my app, search disappeared. That's why I don't chase. That's why I don't chase. It all worked out because I was actually going in that particular direction. But 16 trips, $95 for the day. All right. I've been doing a lot of Uber Eats, trying to get this promo. Yesterday was a really good day, over 300. I'm hoping that I do the same thing today, over 300. All right, again, I'm not chasing, doing a lot of deliveries, and that should be good. See how much money we make. All right, 525, 175 I made for today. I'm gonna put it right there. 175, 24 trips. I still got another 5 hours to go. Let's see if I can reach my 30. I think I only got a couple of trips and I hit my promo. So let's see what we get 10 o'clock at night. See where we get to. Let's make this money. All right, 9:11. Actually, I finished the day off at about 8 o'clock. Total of 302. Again, I'm gonna put it right there. I got the promo also, which was 60 trips and make $65. I finished the trip, I think, with like 30, 34, something like that. But I still have like five more to go, and then I make like 30 more, something like that. I'll finish those off tomorrow. But I did it. I mostly Uber Eats. Mostly Uber Eats. I got everything, okay, and then I did some ridesharing. Okay, after I did but the majority of that was Uber Eats. Okay, it worked. Let's see what happens tomorrow and how it goes at the end of the week. Hopefully, I make a lot more than what I expect. So, let's make this money. All right, it's about 8:06. It's gonna be a good day today. Hold on, let me see this stupid camera. All right, all right, we got one promo going from 5 to 6 p.m. Where's my car? There it is. 5 to 6 p.m. is a promo, and then that's it. Again, don't really chase them. Yesterday there was promos and those promos and the get 3 rides, and they give you some amount of money. I didn't get neither. I didn't get none of them, and I still made over 300. So that's the idea for this week. For today. So let's make this money. 238. I made a total of 163. I'm gonna put it right there. Looks like it's gonna be a good day. Let's make this money. All right, it is 9:45. I actually finished the day off at about 9:20, somewhere around there. 9:20, 9:30. I don't know, somewhere around there. I made a total of a little bit over 300. Okay, I'm gonna put it right there. A little bit over 300. 29 trips. So I did a lot of trips, but I still over exceeded. Still made my 300. That's my goal. But no, I did good for the day. I stopped early. Let's see how much money we'll make tomorrow. All right, let's make this money. And just to put it out there, 9:33 for our 3 days. That's pretty good. So just wanted to put that out there. All right, 8:07 a.m. We got a nice little promo going on from 4 to 6. Let's see if we catch that promo. Let's see how much money we make. All right, it is about like 7:30, but I finished today at about 7:10 or something like that. I made a total of 301. I'm gonna put it right there. 24 trips. Today was a good day, and I actually reached 300 and finished early. That was because I was just in the car and I was just moving. I tried not to go to the bathroom. Anyway, 301 for the day. All right, tomorrow is Friday. We got the bonus for Saturday and for Friday and Saturday. So tomorrow it looks like I'm gonna wake up early in the morning, see if I can knock out as many trips as I can. So tomorrow might be an all Uber Eats day. Waking up at 4, be out on the road by 5, and just Uber Eats the whole entire day. All right, let's see what happens. Let's make this money. All right, it's 5:41 in the morning. I'm up. 5:41. All right, let's see what we do today. Uber Eats all day. See how many I can do. All right, let's make this money. All right, 10:22. I made a total of $114 with I think it's like 14 trips. I'm gonna put it right there. Okay, it's been a good day. Started early today, so let's see how it goes. Most of my trips have been Uber Eats, but given that I have an electric car and I gotta be near a charger, the deliveries have been taking me like really far away from the charger and stuff. So I'll take into consideration and use my destination to come back to my charging spot. But I'm charging. All right, and let's see how it goes for the rest of the day. Let's make this money. All right, it is 3:12. I made a total of 187. Put it right there. I only done 16 rides. I'm done for the day. I'll wake up early tomorrow again. I'll do another 5 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, but I just working a lot and I need some family time. All right, see you tomorrow. Let's make this money. All right. It is 5:26. Yesterday was a little short. Again, when you're doing this and you have goals, I have to it kind of gets you after some time. But yesterday I had to stop, hang out with the family, and then realize what I was doing this for. Anyway, ride sharing is not forever. You're just making the money just to achieve your goals. I have different goals and stuff, but yesterday it just kind of hit me, and I just felt like I was really not getting anywhere. So I had to stop what I'm doing, hang out with the family, realize why I'm doing this whole entire thing for. And now today I'm back to work. Everything is good. It's 5:27 in the morning. All right, let's see how we do today. Today's still gonna be yesterday I did only 16 trips and I made like $197. But that was it. Today's gonna be mostly Uber Eats. I'm gonna mostly Uber Eats. I'm gonna do as many trips as I can. I'm trying to get this promo. I believe the promo is 60 and then 70. So let's make this money. All right, it is 9:25. I have made a total of 84. All right, put it right there. 84. Charging right now. Only 7 trips, but we're gonna keep doing it. We're gonna keep doing it until we get as many trips as possible. So it's been Uber Eats, a couple of regular rides, but Uber Eats all day. Anyway, charging. Once I'm done here, I'm going back to Uber Eats. Let's make this money. It's only $84. So let's see what we get for the rest of the day. All right, 3:25 p.m. p.m. I am at the charging station with it's like a whole bunch of Teslas around me. Yeah, 325. I made a total of 203. I'm gonna put it right there. I think it's 203, something like that. I'm gonna put it right there. I started my day somewhere at about 5 a.m. 5 something. So at 5 o'clock, you know, I'm gonna complete my 12 hours. But for now, 203. All right, and this is for my last stretch. All right, let's see how much money we make. All right, it is. I think it's like 8:30 something right now, but I finished the day at 8:18. Made a total of 321, and like the 32 trips. I gotta up that game a little bit. I think I gotta make more, like as closest to 40 or 40 as possible. Anyway, most of my day today was Uber Eats. I just did Uber Eats. Just kept doing Uber Eats, and I try to catch some of this do 3 rides and get a bonus and stuff. So I try to catch as many as I can, and it actually worked out, you know, 321 for just doing Uber Eats. But that's how we're gonna finish today. Tomorrow, tomorrow's Sunday. Tomorrow's supposed to be my day off, but I'm gonna do another 5 in the morning. I liked it. It's just, you know, again, waking up so early in the morning. But here we go. Tomorrow, 5 a.m. All right, 5. It's almost 6. It's almost 6 in the morning. Thought I was having a little trouble waking up. So, all right, I'm up. I am up. All right, let's make this money. All right, it is 3:54. Done for the day. Middle total of 408. All right, and I'm gonna blast right here how much I paid for the week and how much I made hourly. Okay, here you go. All right, so that's a total of $21.73 for 71 hours, which puts me at $30 an hour. I'm sorry, could you hold that right there, lower there. Okay, awesome. I am done. Okay, let's see how much money we make next week. $21.73 for this week. Awesome.